Hello friends, today I will show you how to create a 2D orange image using Adobe Illustrator. First of all, you need to go to Adobe Illustrator and create a new document and give these dimensions as your new document dimension as shown in the video. Then add your orange image to the clipboard, that means the whiteboard that is shown in the video, and lock your orange image by going to the object lock. Then get the pen tool and draw the outline of the orange image. You can remove the fill color of the drawing line by clicking the none or slash of your keyboard. Then draw it like this roughly. Draw the whole image and move it to the separate place of your clipboard. After you draw the every part of your image, then start to fill the colors of the image basically by using eyedropper tool. Short key is I of your keyboard. Press I of your keyboard to hit the eyedropper tool or click the eyedropper tool in the toolbox. Then add color of your real image to the drawing outline and fill it like this. After you fill it, you can use mesh tool to modify the color adjustments of the orange like this. Add mesh, click mesh tool and add lines like this to your drawn image and use lasso tool to select a particular place that you need to add a balanced color. Like this, you can use eyedropper tool to add a separate color balance of the image like this. Finally, the output will be shown like this. Thank you for watching.